are going to have a wonderful birthday party today. I want to help build a beautiful drink table layout. This white tablecloth will cover our long party table perfectly. We need a large space for all the sweet party juices. I am placing this massive plastic juice dispenser here now. The big plastic dispenser looks very clean on the table. I will prepare the sweet red cherry punch inside this bowl. Let us pour the sweet red liquid into the big container. Please wait, because you must verify the container setup details. I am in a very big hurry to finish this mixing. I will hold the big plastic container tightly with my hands.
We do not have time to look at the nozzle details.
I will start to shake the red liquid very hard now. The sweet red punch is sloshing around inside the plastic. A few dark red drops are leaking onto the table. Ah! The red liquid is starting to leak from the open nozzle. Everything is completely fine because I am mixing it very fast. The pressure is building up inside the plastic container right now. The red punch is starting to shake the entire tap valve. Oh no! The hot red punch is shooting out very fast.
A massive spray of red liquid is covering the front area.
The red punch is splattering all over my favorite blue shirt. I am completely shocked by this messy red liquid disaster today. A massive dark red stain is expanding across the white cloth.
Why is my favorite red punch shooting across the bright room?
I see that skipping the safety valve check was very wrong.
I will step forward calmly to turn the black handle safely. I am twisting the black tap valve tightly shut right now.
I am carrying clean white towels to help clear the mess. Let us wipe the wet red juice off the table surface.
We can place a fresh, clean tablecloth onto the party table.
Now my clothes are clean and order is restored fully here.
You must always verify that your container valves are closed tightly.
I understand that open nozzle valves create a very big mess. Now our surprise birthday party table is perfectly safe and secure. Check that container valves are firmly closed before mixing your drinks. I am preparing a wonderful birthday surprise for our dad today. This big cardboard box contains a very special present inside. What are you doing with that large brown cardboard box, sister? That is a comically massive box for a birthday gift. I need to find some strong tools to wrap this present. Look at this massive roll of shiny, clear sticky tape. That big roll of clear tape looks very dangerous and sticky. This clear sticky tape is perfectly fine for wrapping boxes. I am pulling a long strip of tape very quickly now. I must wrap this birthday present very fast this morning. I will pull this shiny plastic strip out even further now. That shiny sticky tape strip is getting way too long. I am going to snap this long line apart fast. Oh no! The sticky tape is wrapping around my arm. My left hand is getting completely stuck in this mess too. Please stop twisting because you are making the tangle worse. The sticky clear tape is catching my high black ponytail. I'm getting stuck. Oh, this tape is really tight. Help, I can't move. I am completely trapped inside this horrible sticky tape trap. I am trying to pull my arms free from this plastic. Let me search for the small end of the clear line. I can pull this loose loop to help you escape safely. I see that snapping the sticky tape too fast was wrong. The clear plastic tape is too strong for my small fingers. Mom, please come quickly because Maya is trapped in a sticky trap.
Why is that massive sticky tape roll wrapped all around you?
We must find a proper cutting tool to solve this big problem.
I am searching for our sharp craft tools in the wooden drawer. I found these sharp metal scissors to cut the plastic web. I am cutting through these tight loops very slowly and carefully.
The sticky tape is coming away from your black hair now. Yay! I am finally free from that horrible, clear, sticky plastic web. Great job, because the sticky crisis is resolved and order is restored.
We must use wrapping materials very carefully to prevent sticky accidents. Use small pieces of tape when wrapping boxes to prevent sticky accidents.
I am very sorry, because I pulled that plastic line too fast. Now the cardboard gift box looks perfectly neat and very secure. Use small pieces of tape when wrapping boxes to prevent sticky accidents.
We are playing a fast game of musical chairs today.
I want to win this fun birthday party game now. The music is starting, so we must walk around chairs. I am following your steps very closely on carpet. Yes, very good, Leo.
Let us move our bodies to the happy music, children.
Look at the rows of sturdy chairs in room. We are stepping around the wooden chairs very fast. I feel very happy during this active birthday celebration.
I will find a perfect seat when the music stops.
I am going to catch the best wooden chair quickly. The fast pace is making us move much quicker now. We must run faster around the small circle layout. The moving air is shifting some items on floor.
I am completely focused on the nearest wooden chair.
The fun birthday game is getting very intense today. I need to watch the chairs closely for victory.
I will keep walking steady until the rhythm finishes.
The floor layout looks very colorful with party items.
The fast party game is getting a little bit harder now. I am just trying to walk through here.
Oh no, my feet are slipping completely on this loose paper.
I am landing flat on my back on the soft carpet floor.
You look very wet and funny on the carpet floor, Dad. Are you okay after that crazy slide across the room today?
I see that skipping the floor cleanup routine was very wrong.
Look at this loose piece of slick wrapping paper causing problems.
I am running quickly to help you stand up safely now.
The big clumsy fall situation is completely resolved now, family.
My back feels completely fine, and order is restored fully here.
The messy paper scrap is safely inside the green bin now. The party floor looks perfectly clean and very safe now, sister. A clean carpet space keeps our party games safe and happy.
Now our birthday party layout is perfectly safe and ready for fun.
Clean up loose paper scraps immediately to keep the party floor safe.